Social media is no longer just a place for entertainment, memes, or casual scrolling. It has evolved into one of the most powerful income-generating ecosystems in human history. And right now, we are living in a time where ordinary people have access to opportunities that were once reserved only for big companies and celebrities. Every single day, billions of users spend hours on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and other social
Today,
networks,
we're diving into the
watching
latest
videos,
economic indicators and what they
learning new
mean for the
skills,
average citizen's
following
wallet.
creators, discovering products, and making buying decisions. And where attention exists at this scale, money always follows. The biggest misconception people have is believing that earning money through social media requires millions of followers, viral luck, expensive cameras, or perfect speaking skills. But the truth is that social media rewards strategy, consistency, and value far more than talent or popularity. The foundation of earning money through social media always begins with understanding attention and trust. Attention brings people to your content, and trust converts that attention into income. Without trust, views mean nothing. And without value, followers never take action. The first and most important pillar of social media income is content creation, because content is the engine that drives everything else. Whether you create long-form educational videos, short-form reels, motivational clips, faceless automation videos, tutorials, or storytelling content, your job as a creator is to solve problems, answer questions, or provide useful insights consistently. Perfection is not required when starting, because perfection slows growth. What matters is showing up repeatedly, learning from feedback, and improving with time. Algorithms are designed to reward creators who remain active and consistent, not those who upload once and disappear. Once your content starts gaining attention and engagement, social media platforms themselves open the door to direct monetization through advertising revenue and creator reward programs. This type of income often starts very small and feels insignificant in the beginning. But as your views, watch time, and audience retention grow, it can turn into a reliable and scalable passive income stream. Many creators underestimate this phase and quit too early, not realizing that consistency compounds just like money does. Another extremely powerful method of earning money through social media is affiliate marketing, which allows creators to earn commissions by recommending products or services to their audience. Affiliate marketing works because people already trust recommendations from creators they follow more than traditional advertisements. And the best part is that you do not need to create your own product, manage inventory, handle shipping, or deal with customer support. Your role is simply to guide people toward solutions that genuinely help them. Honesty plays a major role here, because long-term income comes from trust, not manipulation. As your social media presence grows and your authority strengthens, brands begin to see you as a valuable marketing channel, leading to brand deals and
Welcome to
sponsorships
Effective
where
Online
companies
Voice
pay you
Delivery.
to promote their
In this
products,
module, we'll cover the
review
essential setup
services,
you need for a
or mention
professional
their
voice.
brand naturally within your content. And it is important to understand that brands care far more about engagement and influence than raw follower numbers. Because 10,000 loyal followers who trust you and take action are far more valuable than 100,000 followers who scroll past your content without interest. One of the most powerful long-term income strategies on social media is selling digital products, such as online courses, ebooks, guides, templates, checklists, or paid communities. Digital products are powerful because they allow you to package your knowledge once and sell it
We're thrilled to
repeatedly
introduce you
without
to our
additional
strategy
cost.
progress.
And social media becomes the
Excellent. Can you
traffic
elaborate on the
system
conversion
that
rate?
brings new customers to your product every single day. Many successful creators make the majority of their income from digital products rather than ads because digital products offer higher profit margins and complete control. Social media also opens the door to freelancing and service-based income, where creators attract clients simply by showcasing their skills publicly. Services like video editing, social media management, content writing, graphic design, consulting, automation services, and AI-based solutions are in extremely high demand. And many clients today prefer hiring creators they already see providing value online rather than relying on resumes or job platforms. Another important but often overlooked way to earn money through social media is building and monetizing faceless automation channels, where content is created using stock footage, AI tools, voiceovers, and automated workflows. This model allows creators to scale multiple channels without showing their face, making it especially attractive for those who prefer working behind the scenes despite all these opportunities. The reason most people fail to earn money through social media is not because the system is broken, but because they lack patience, consistency, and realistic expectations. Many people quit after a few weeks when results do not appear instantly. Others chase trends without understanding fundamentals, and many focus only on money instead of providing real value. Social media success is not about shortcuts. It is about building systems that compound over time, just like investing. The early stages feel slow, boring, and unrewarding, but those who stay consistent for 6 months to 1 year often experience results that change their entire financial direction. Mindset plays a crucial role in this journey, because treating social media like a hobby produces hobby-level income, while treating it like a business creates business-level results. This means setting goals, studying analytics, understanding audience behavior, and continuously improving content quality. The beauty of social media is that the barrier to entry is extremely low. You can start without showing your face, without expensive equipment, without a large budget. And even without prior experience, all you need is a clear niche, a willingness to learn, discipline, and the patience to let results compound over time. Social media has created more millionaires and financial opportunities in the last decade than almost any industry in history, and the opportunity is still growing. Those who understand attention, trust, and value creation today are building income streams that will continue paying them for years to come. Because in the end, social media does not reward luck. It rewards consistency, clarity, and the creators who are willing to play the long game instead of chasing overnight success.